Now, in order to prevent this from happening too often, or just happening overall, Boom Racing. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and welcome to another video on this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series III 88. In this part of the build, I am going to be adding some rock sliders. Now, if you'll notice, the Series 3 body doesn't have any protection here along the bottom, so it does get scratched up quite often. Now, in order to prevent this from happening too often, or just happening overall, Boom Racing, under their Kudu brand, released these rock sliders here. So I will be installing these onto the body just to protect this bottom edge right here. Alright, let's take these out and take a closer look at what installing these involves. Now, here is the parts information for the Boom Racing Kudu rock sliders for the Land Rover Series III 88 body. As always, I'll put a link to where you can purchase these below in the description of the video. Alright, so included in that package were two of these what appears to be aluminum sliders. And this mounts towards the bottom of the body. And this is the side plating. And it comes with four of what appears to be M3x5 countersunk screws. So this should be a fairly easy install, fairly short and easy, only 4 screws to install. And let's take a look at here. So for the body clips, you'll notice that there are screw holes on the bottom. Basically, find the correct rock slider that lines up with the holes. There's a front and a back, and I got the wrong one. Right there. It should cover that whole bottom section edge of the body right there. And you can just proceed and take the M3x5 countersunk screws and just screw them in. Just like that, and now you've got protection on the bottom edge of the Series 388 body right there. So nice protection to keep that edge from getting too scratched up. And we'll go ahead and do the same for the other side, but pretty much that's all there is to it. And that's all there is to it. You can see that the bottom edge is protected. Definitely some good protection for the bottom of your BRX02 88 Series 3 body. And should be worry-free from now on. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 388.